Hello and welcome to the 10th edition of the HDFC ERGO Insurance Quiz Junior. HDFC ERGO General Insurance is committed to promoting insurance awareness across India. In pursuit of this mission, HDFC ERGO has been organizing this quiz for the past decade with the goal of educating and engaging the younger generation on the importance of insurance. The HDFC ERGO Insurance Quiz Junior is designed to cultivate early awareness about insurance and financial literacy. This year marks a special milestone, a decade of impact. The HDFC ERGO Insurance Quiz Junior began in 2016 with just 18 schools in Mumbai. And today, it has grown to include around 3,600 schools pan-India, reaching more than 25 lakh students nationwide, including nearly 800 government schools. A remarkable highlight, 45% of the participants are girls, making it a truly inclusive initiative spreading insurance awareness across Bharat. The theme for this year, a decade of impact, the legacy of the Junior Insurance Quiz.
Here we are. Once again, a warm welcome to HDFC ERGO Insurance Quiz Junior 2025. It's a very special moment for all of us at HDFC ERGO. Like we said, a decade of impact. And why do we say that? 2016 is when we started with a very small dream of making people aware why insurance is important. It was a journey, like I said, we started with one city, we reached out to 5 cities, 9 cities, 50 cities, 60 cities, and today we are here with 560 cities. We also reach out to government schools in Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry, for which we are the lead insurers, and we are conducting insurance quiz in government schools in Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry as well. On that note, let me formally welcome you to the grand finale of Insurance Awareness Quiz Junior 2025.
As part of this milestone celebration, we bring you an exclusive conversation with Anuj Tyagi, Managing Director and CEO of HDFC ERGO General Insurance, who shares insights on the vision, journey and impact of this unique initiative.
Thank you for this opportunity. I've been seeing all these very enthusiastic students, and I watched your AV as well. Must feel quite special, right? 10 years of this quiz.
A milestone always, Aisha, is special. And if you allow me and if I reminisce the entire journey, something which started more as a concept with the pure intent, but we didn't know at what scale it'll reach. So 10 years back, when it started with the whole idea of increasing the insurance awareness, and you know how low the insurance awareness in the country is, and we said, let's catch them young. So imagine the 10 years, first year's winner are now the insurance decision maker, and hopefully they will have a larger, better understanding of what to buy, when to buy. And from a stage where it was one city, 16, 17, 18 schools, to a stage where it's 570 cities, 3,600 schools, it feels special. It does feel special.
But tell me, as you track the decade-old journey of this quiz, it started obviously with urban centers, but financial awareness or insurance awareness, so to speak, has to be spread through to Bharat as well. What was the process like from urban centers to move down to rural areas?
As you said, initially it started as a concept. We had one city. Slowly the number of city increased. If you see today on the screen, you have students from tier 2 and tier 3 cities. Incidentally, there's nobody from the tier 1 city. So it proves the point that we've actually been able to go through the tier 2, tier 3 cities. And there is a very sizable population, which is, I think about 27% of the students are from vernacular language. So it now cuts across the geographies. It cuts across the medium of study. It cuts across gender, by the way. You spoke of penetration into the deeper areas of the country, and I'm saying it's the best example of inclusivity. So we've ensured that we expand, and look, it's been so successful by our yardstick. We're very enthused with it now. So it's we're so enthused. The team which works behind is so enthused that we always, every year, we try to go through go into the deeper areas of the country. So I think it will. I'm not surprised that you have more students from tier 2, tier 3 cities here, and maybe tier 4 will also be represented next time.
So Anuj, what is the vision now at HDFC ERGO to try and get, like you said, not just catch them young, but make sure that they're part of the insurance journey, not just with HDFC ERGO perhaps, but throughout their lives. And they don't only think of insurance when they actually need it, and then the right time is already behind them.
Right. So let me just take a step back and move beyond the vision for this quiz. What drives us today at HDFC ERGO? As Martin Luther King said, I have a dream. So I also have a dream. I have the entire organization is today driven by the purpose that no citizen of this country should see a financial hardship because of lack of insurance. So that's what drives us today. This is one step in that direction. State insurance plan is a step in that direction. Coming out with products like recently we came out with this with a missing middle insurance product, first time in the country. You have the gigs worker who don't have access to the structured healthcare because they can't finance it. And they're neither BPL nor they can. So the missing middle, we launched it. So the whole purpose is, and again, the vision behind some of these initiatives is that the understanding of insurance increases. I can't only stay at understanding. I have to also ensure that the supply of relevant products and a paraphernalia to service you in the form and fashion that you want at the time and place of yours. So organizations should also have the paraphernalia to service you. So that's the larger vision, that's the larger purpose which drives us today. And this is one small little step we took decade back, which relatively is becoming a bigger stride now.
So 10 years back and now 10 years hence, how big could the junior quiz be? I mean, what's the scale that we're looking at?
I'm sure, again, my wish is that schools will compete hard to participate in this quiz, not because there is award here, not because they will get a chance to, not only because they'll get a chance to be on TV, but because their seniors who would have become the family members would start having insurance as a discussion on the dining table. The society risk protection will not happen unless a topic like insurance is a dining table discussion. So I certainly hope, and I see that happening 10 years down the line, all these kids who have won or who would have won 10 years back, they will be the decision makers. They will promote their kids to participate in it. So Insurance Quiz Junior will be played at a very, very grand scale. And if you ask me what will be the success, if the larger winners come from smaller cities, that's when we can certainly say that the insurance awareness is going through the nook and corner of the country, because otherwise insurance for all by 2047 will not be easy.
So if I were to ask you, what has been your personal learning observing all the students and their parents and teachers and the entire sort of cohort involved in this process?
I think it will be not fair if I don't thank the parents and the teachers who have motivated these kids to participate in this. It goes often unnoticed and we don't speak about it. But honestly, it's nation building. Yeah. The schools and the kids are building the nation. They're making it's their contribution to bring financial resilience in this country when something untoward happens. And I think my philosophical level at my learning is, no matter how small, how difficult your step is, if you just give it a pure intent effort in this, in a short time, like a decade, it becomes a huge platform. If we retrospect a decade back, we wouldn't have ever thought that it will become so big. We just wanted to do our contribution to increase insurance awareness. It has become a calendar event. And with the initiatives like this, And since you said 10 years hence, what will happen? And I shared my dream. I think insurance for all by 2047 will happen because the awareness will increase and it has a compounding effect. You don't make these two students from one school aware of insurance. It's the entire insurance ecosystem which gets, and if they happen to be winners, then their family, their teachers, their relatives, everybody is then aware of what insurance is.
And with that, we'll wish all the teams all the very best, and may the best team win.
Yeah, absolutely.
Right, as they say.
All the best. Have fun. Play your game, and don't be under pressure. Thank you, Aisha.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
To make the 10th edition even more memorable, HDFC ERGO surprised all finalists with a special experience. A day-long excursion to Rashtrapati Bhavan. Let's take a quick break, and on the other side, we'll introduce you to the brilliant finalists of the HDFC ERGO Insurance Quiz Junior 2025. Welcome back to the HDFC ERGO Insurance Quiz Junior 2025. Now the real action begins, where our 6 finalist teams will showcase their knowledge, skill and quick thinking to win the ultimate title of HDFC ERGO Insurance Quiz Junior Champion. And here they are. Team A, Army Public School, Golconda, Hyderabad, Rohin and Soma. Team B, BJEM School, Bhubaneswar, Sai and Swayam. Team C, Cambridge Court High School, Jaipur, Garv and Medhansh. Team D, Little Angels Matriculation School, Namakkal, Rishita and Shashni. Team E, New Era Senior Secondary School, Vadodara, Rudra and Swar. Sunbeam Lahartara, Varanasi, Krishant and Suryansh. The participants battled it out across 6 thrilling rounds, testing their knowledge, creativity and quick thinking. Round 1, 10-year maturation. Round 2, Sara Jahan Se Acha. Round 3, Das Kadam. Round 4, AI Evolution. Round 5, Insurance Pictionary. And final countdown, the buzzer round.
On to round 1. It's called 10-year maturation. What's the round about? You'll pick a question from a grid. Each question will have a statement about an event from the insurance industry from the past 10 years. We are, of course, celebrating 10 years of this quiz. So 10 years of dramatic evolution in the Indian insurance industry. We'll give you a second statement. So every clue will have a pair of statements. What you have to do is tell us whether, and this is very important, you have to tell us whether the second statement that you see, right, happened before or after the first one. IRDAI proposes the digital insurance platform Bima Sugam. The Atal Pension Yojana was launched before or after this fact.
It started before.
Let's see, that's correct. Good start. IRDAI proposing the digital insurance platform was before or after the protection of policyholders' interest regulations issued by the IRDAI?
Before.
Sorry, it was not before, it was after. The protection of policyholders' interest regulations by the IRDAI was before or after the IRDAI set up a panel to examine the need for standard cyber insurance?
Before.
Yeah, before is correct. Team B, what would you like?
Sir, question number 5.
Question number 5. The 74% FDI limit introduced in the insurance industry, very important moment, and insurance density in India reaching $95.
We think it's after.
So this happened more recently, that is correct. Was the Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, ABPMJ, was launched? Did the FDI limit happen before or after that?
Before.
I'm sorry, that's incorrect. And here's your third one. The PMJ launch, was it before or after IRDAI approving PAYD under the Regulatory Sandbox Initiative?
Before.
Before. Still only one before. Team E. HDFC ERGO introduced the very distinctive pause and clause pet insurance policy before or after the IRDAI mandating health insurance companies to offer Arogya Sanjeevani policy?
After.
Correct. Well done. IRDAI mandating health insurance companies to offer Arogya Sanjeevani was before or after Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana?
After.
Correct. 2 on 2. Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana was launched before or after the Sabse Pehle life insurance campaign in India?
Before.
Before, you seem very confident. That is correct. The first full house today. Sunbeam Lertara, 1 or 7?
1.
1. India's insurance industry grows to 11 lakh crores in terms of premiums. Happened before or after the Pradhan Mantri Vaya Vandana Yojana launch?
After.
After. Very good. And your next clue, the Pradhan Mantri Vaya Vandana Yojana launch happened before or after the Insurance for All vision? We heard Anuj talk about it.
Before.
Correct. And your last of your clues, the IRDAI Insurance for All vision was before or after Shri Ajay Seth being appointed as chairman of IRDAI?
Before.
Excellent. Full house. Well cracked, confident and steady. Time for our first look at the leaderboard in this grand finale of the 10th edition of the HDFC ERGO Insurance Quiz Junior. Let's go to our second round in today's quiz, which is called Sara Jahan Se Acha. Sara is, of course, one of the pioneering chatbots from HDFC ERGO in the range of chatbots that are available. What's going to happen this time is these are questions related to insurance, and the question is not going to be read out by me, it's going to be read out by Sara. We also have someone very special here to help us. Please welcome her with a big round of applause. Shilpi Sinha, Assistant Editor, Economic Times. Okay, let's hear your question.
Shown here is a kind of activity. Such activities are generally not covered by health insurance and require their own medical insurance that covers injuries leading to disability and death. What kind of activities are these?
We'll show you an image.
Sir, we would use a lifeline.
Shilpi, you're straight up.
So this action-filled recreational activity involves riding a steel cable on a protective seat or a belt.
Stunt activities.
Okay, and what is this specific activity called?
Cable riding.
Cable riding. Passes to Team C.
Sir, adventure sports and
Cable sliding.
Cable sliding. Adventure sports and cable sliding. Team 4.
Paragliding.
Paragliding. Incorrect. Team 5.
Sir, adventure sports and zip lining.
Excellent answer. Adventure sports and zip lining.
Home insurers use the Internet of Things to keep track of the condition of a house and its appliances. In case a service provider receives a notification for a water leak, they can notify the insured and let them take proactive action to reduce potential damage. Such an application helps in the enforcement of a principle of insurance. Which principle is it?
principle of loss minimalization.
That's fine. I'll give you the points. The principle of loss mitigation or loss minimization is absolutely right.
This act was passed in 1912 in India. It was the first regulatory framework that was designed to protect policyholders. Which act are we talking about?
Lifeline.
So it's an acronym, ILAC.
So you have to expand ILAC. It's the ILAC Act.
Insurance Life Assurance Companies Act.
I will have to pass you.
Indian Life Assurance Companies Act.
That's the right answer. It's the Indian Life Assurance Companies Act. Tough luck, Team 4. Team E.
Shown here is the Google Doodle that was launched to mark India's 76th Republic Day. It represents the diversity of India through its wildlife. Which mammal, the state animal of Sikkim, was used to represent the northeast?
Red panda.
Nicely done, Red Panda. Great work by all the teams. Round of applause to them. The quiz is off to a very good start here. We're going to take a look at the leaderboard.
Round 3 brought a wave of excitement. Participants were shown childhood pictures of famous personalities when they were just 10 years old. They had to guess the personality, write their answers, and score 10 points for each correct guess.
Virat Kohli is correct, of course.
A round that had both participants and audience guessing with enthusiasm.
Cristiano Ronaldo is right.
As AI continues to shape the future, this year introduced a new and dynamic round, AI Evolution.
And he came running out saying, Eureka, Eureka.
Well done.
Featuring questions on artificial intelligence and its role in our everyday lives.
Gary Kasparov was playing a chess match with the IBM Deep Blue computer.
Excellent.
The 10th edition also featured a fresh concept, Insurance Pictionary. One team member illustrated clues by drawing while the other guessed the answer.
No birds,
No birds, no.
It was a round full of laughter, creativity, and teamwork, one that the participants truly enjoyed.
Underwriter?
Not underwriter. By what angle did you get underwriter for that? Okay. We're going to take a look at the leaderboard. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, here we are at the grand finale of the 10th edition of the Insurance Quiz Junior by HDFC ERGO. We've finished 5 super exciting rounds in this quiz, and we are now down to our very last round. All questions on the buzzer, nothing will come on the screen. Images will appear on the screen because it's a visual buzzer round, right? So I will show the image. Question number 1, we're going to show you an image of the headquarters of the insurance regulatory body of a country. What is the name of this body? As precise as you can get it. It's the head. Team 2?
Sir, China Banking and Insurance Regulatory something.
Excellent. Perfect answer. I'll give it to you. Easy one on the buzzer. Identify the object. Team B?
Ear tag, ear tag.
Ear tag used for what?
Cow ear tag.
For what type of insurance?
Cow, cattle insurance.
Cow, ear tag, cattle insurance. 5 points. Well done. Excellent. This is the logo of an organization in India. Identify the organization. Team C?
Indian Insurtech Association.
Excellent. +5. Here is the last question. We are going to show you an image which is a very recent ad. What fills in the blank? Team C? Answer.
Insurance.
-5. Team F?
GST.
GST. That's the right answer. And with that excellent last answer, round of applause to Sunbeam Lehartara, Team F, who finish the quiz with a great answer there.
Adding an artistic touch to this special edition, Apurva Deshpande, an artist, captured each moment live, sketching scenes from the quiz as they unfolded. At this special gathering, HDFC ERGO General Insurance marked another milestone in its decade-long journey of innovation with the launch of its latest digital ecosystem, Here Next, featuring LE5, an AI-powered tool that simplifies complex insurance concepts into easy everyday language. What makes it truly special is that the entire initiative is managed by women. And now, the moment everyone was waiting for.
The top 3 winners. It's Cambridge Court High School, Jaipur. So our first runners-up for Insurance Quiz Junior is New Era Senior Secondary School, Vadodara. The winners for HDFC ERGO Insurance Quiz Junior 2025, the 10th edition of Insurance Quiz Junior, a decade of impact, is Sunbeam Varanasi. Before we end the proceedings of our 10th edition of Insurance Quiz Junior, can I please request Mr. Parthanal Ghosh, Executive Director, HDFC ERGO, to come and give a vote of thanks?
A decade of excellence, I would say like that, so to spread the insurance awareness in India. This remarkable 6-month journey, this is a 6-month journey to create this HDFC ERGO Insurance Awareness Quiz Junior 2025. And finally, today on 23rd of September, we come to the end of this 6-month of preparation by everyone, including HDFC ERGO, the parents, the school kids, and of course the schools, apart from Pinky. A staggering 25 lakh students we reached out in the last 10 years, the decade. And that's an excellent thing for the support of all these students, their parents, their teachers, So our heartfelt thanks to them who supported this particular mission to spread insurance awareness through these 10 years. Huge congratulations to the 6 teams. Thank you very much to be a great audience here, and all the best to those students who couldn't be in the top 2 to come back next year as a winner. Thank you very much and good night.
10 years, thousands of schools and millions of young minds. The HDFC ERGO Insurance Quiz Junior continues to inspire, educate and empower the next generation. Here's to a decade of impact and many more to come.